What's going on, everybody? Today we're at the Cromwell, gonna do a room tour of the Deluxe Queen Room in room 724. Let's check it out. So coming into the room, it's not really a walkway area. You walk right into the bed area, but as you see, you've got the two queen beds immediately to your right, and then over here is just your lamp, phone, and it's a drawer if you need something bedside. So that'll be, as you see when you come in, to your right. I say to your left. To your left is your entertainment area. So here's your flat screen TV. And this is also like a mini bar, wet bar area, because in this drawer, this heavy drawer, you've got snacks you can purchase. Down here, there are a couple of bottles of alcohol. And then down here is an in-room safe, so you can put your valuables there. Why that's in this particular area? That's a really good question. And then over here is just another little fridge with alcohol, so it's part of the wet bar area. All of that can be purchased with the card used to check in. Here you have a full body mirror, a chair and a lamp. And then on this side, you go toward the bathroom. Here is your closet. In your closet you have the usual ironing board iron. You've got a luggage rack, a couple of hangers. Then over here there are some complimentary robes that you can use when you come out of the shower. For those of you who like to glamify yourselves, this is a vanity area. As you can see, this is a very backlit mirror here, which will be perfect for those who need it. A couple shelves for you to put things if you need them as well. And then there's even a flat iron or a flat hair iron that comes with this room. I didn't bring that, that's not mine, trust me. But that's included. And then this here is your view. So Cromwell's right in the middle of the strip. You can't access this balcony, it's not accessible. But you have a view of the strip. It's a really nice view. It's not a huge window, but it's a really good view. Here is your bathroom area. So you've got a sliding door to access the bathroom. Got a nice mirror here. Here's your sink. It's a small little countertop area, but it serves its purpose. Then there are your towels. Over here is the toilet area, so that's separate. And then over here is your very nice standing shower. So you got a nice little theme here with this shower. You got a little bench to rest, or you can sit down if you need to, but you got that. Shower head, shower extension, and then you have the rainfall shower. So it's really nice. So you get a really good shower here. I don't know why there's this mirror in the shower. It's kind of weird, but it works. And that's gonna do it for this video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new. Thanks for watching.